Frog farming is a profitable and environmentally friendly agricultural venture. It is quite popular, especially in some parts of Southeast Asia. Frog farming mainly produces frog meat as food. Frogs are widely used in scientific research and education. Frog farms can supply animals to schools, universities, and research institutions for biological studies, dissection, and medical research. Dear viewers, today we will try to tell you how to make the frog farming business profitable with low cost, little effort, and short time. First, a special pond or tank must be prepared for frog farming, with adequate water and shelter. Water quality must be controlled for healthy frog growth. Ponds or tanks of 1,000 to 5,000 square feet are used for frog farming. Clean and oxygen-rich water is critical. Water pH levels, temperature, and filtration systems must be maintained to avoid diseases. Several species of frogs can be farmed, but the bullfrog or American frog is quite popular. They are fast-growing and able to produce more meat. The food of frogs mainly consists of insects, small fish, earthworms, etc. However, commercial farms provide protein-rich feed, such as fish meal or other protein-rich feed. Also includes insects, small fish, and nutrient-rich pellets. Frogs are cold-blooded animals, so the temperature of their environment is very important. A suitable environment should be created for frog breeding. They usually lay their eggs during the rainy season. The eggs develop into tadpoles, which gradually develop into full-fledged frogs. Tadpoles or frogs develop from the eggs in about 5 to 10 days after the frog lays the eggs. At this stage, they need proper care and adequate feeding. It takes about 3 to 4 months to transform from a tadpole to a full-fledged frog. During this time they gradually lose their tail and other parts of the frog's body are formed. It usually takes 5 to 6 months from tadpole to full-fledged frog. However, farmed bullfrogs or other large species of frogs can take about 6 to 8 months to mature. Frogs can weigh around 200 to 250 grams, which is suitable for sale. Water quality should be controlled and water bodies should be kept clean, otherwise frogs may become sick due to different types of parasitic fungi or bacterial infections. Sanitation, food management, and cleanliness of water bodies play the most important role in disease prevention in frog farming. The demand for frog meat is excellent, especially in foreign markets such as China, Thailand, and France. If there is an export opportunity, then the profit margin can be higher.